This large GENIMO outdoor rug in the 9-foot by 18-foot size gives a patio or campsite a cohesive finished look without feeling heavy or bulky underfoot. The reversible palm leaf pattern in navy blue and gray looks stylish on both sides, so you can flip it for a fresh look or to better match different outdoor setups. Made from virgin polypropylene with tight, flat weaving and treated edges, it feels durable enough to handle frequent use, foot traffic, and dragging chairs without fraying quickly. Its waterproof, stain-resistant surface makes spills, sand, and mud easy to rinse away, and the breathable construction helps it dry surprisingly fast after a wash or rain shower. Because it is woven from lightweight plastic straws and folds down into the included carry bag, it is very convenient to pack for camping trips or to move between an RV, deck, and beach days. Corner loops and stakes help keep the rug anchored in breezy conditions, and the overall design works well in a wide range of outdoor spaces, from porches and balconies to gardens and parks.